I like drinking tea on rainy days.
I like drinking tea on rainy days.
I'd like to open a savings account, please.
I'd like to open a savings account, please.
Drive like I taught you.
Drive like I taught you.
She looks like her mother.
She looks like her mother.
She swims like a fish in the water.
She swims like a fish in the water.
This bread tastes like it's starting to go stale.
This bread tastes like it's starting to go stale.
She likes painting beautiful landscapes.
She likes painting beautiful landscapes.
I did the experiment just like we learned in science class.
I did the experiment just like we learned in science class.
He runs like the wind over the field.
He runs like the wind over the field.
I like eating cheese pizza.
I like eating cheese pizza.
Just do it like I told you.
Just do it like I told you.
Her new haircut makes her look like a movie star.
Her new haircut makes her look like a movie star.
I like your funny jokes. You make me laugh.
I like your funny jokes. You make me laugh.
Cook dinner tonight like you did last night.
Cook dinner tonight like you did last night.
The bridge looks like it could collapse any minute.
The bridge looks like it could collapse any minute.
I would like to order a pepperoni pizza, please.
I would like to order a pepperoni pizza, please.
He looks like he hasn't slept in days.
He looks like he hasn't slept in days.
His poetry reads like a beautiful song.
His poetry reads like a beautiful song.
She likes going on adventures with her friends.
She likes going on adventures with her friends.
I'd like to make a doctor's appointment, please.
I'd like to make a doctor's appointment, please.
I liked your post about your vacation photos.
I liked your post about your vacation photos.
This tastes like the cake my grandmother used to bake.
This tastes like the cake my grandmother used to bake.
The colors of the sunset were like a painting.
The colors of the sunset were like a painting.
This house looks like something out of a fairy tale.
This house looks like something out of a fairy tale.
I like waking up early to watch the sunrise.
I like waking up early to watch the sunrise.
I like spending time with my family.
I like spending time with my family.
This chair looks like something from the 18th century.
This chair looks like something from the 18th century.
I like listening to classical music.
I like listening to classical music.
This rug feels like a soft cloud.
This rug feels like a soft cloud.
The sauce tastes like it needs more garlic.
The sauce tastes like it needs more garlic.
Her eyes are like two blue sapphires.
Her eyes are like two blue sapphires.
I like learning new languages.
I like learning new languages.
She likes reading novels about faraway places.
She likes reading novels about faraway places.
I liked your Facebook post about adopting a dog.
I liked your Facebook post about adopting a dog.
This room smells like fresh flowers.
This room smells like fresh flowers.
I'd like a coffee with milk, please.
I'd like a coffee with milk, please.
My dog likes playing fetch with a ball or stick.
My dog likes playing fetch with a ball or stick.
He devoured the pizza like he was starving.
He devoured the pizza like he was starving.
Her voice sounds like a beautiful melody.
Her voice sounds like a beautiful melody.
I would like to visit Japan someday.
I would like to visit Japan someday.
My friend likes gardening and growing vegetables.
My friend likes gardening and growing vegetables.
He likes collecting stamps from all around the world.
He likes collecting stamps from all around the world.
The mountains look like giants sleeping.
The mountains look like giants sleeping.
The baby laughs like tinkling bells.
The baby laughs like tinkling bells.
He doesn't like mushrooms very much.
He doesn't like mushrooms very much.
The wolf ran through the forest like a gray ghost.
The wolf ran through the forest like a gray ghost.
I like taking long walks in the countryside.
I like taking long walks in the countryside.
The curtains moved like ghosts in the wind.
The curtains moved like ghosts in the wind.
He eats like he has no manners.
He eats like he has no manners.
I like watching the clouds drift by on a summer day.
I like watching the clouds drift by on a summer day.
He runs like a cheetah.
He runs like a cheetah.